What's going on, guys? Today I have the most overkill and most expensive gaming and workstation PC you will ever find in your life. This cost about £15,500. I know it says 11, but I'll explain why. And it's about $24,000. So we have the Asus Rampage 5 Extreme LGA 2011 X99 motherboard. It's pretty awesome motherboard. We have the Intel i7-5960X, the most high-end processor of the i7 lineup. We have the Corsair 280nm Hydro Series H110i to cool the i7. Now I will be doing workstation PC builds and gaming PC builds. This is just the most overkill PC build you'll ever find. Now this is why it wasn't as expensive as I said it would be. So we have an EVGA NVIDIA Titan Z or Z, whatever, a graphics card, 12GB of RAM, and I was gonna have 3 of these, but only one of them is in stock, as you can see here. So I only had to go with one, but the build has 3 or 2 depending on what case you choose. So this case is the InWin S-frame case. Is one piece of aluminium, and you buy it for the art of how it's made. Pretty much, it looks awesome, and you've got I think 7 expansion slots, so that's not enough for the 3 Titan Z's, but you can get a full tower with 9 if you really want, but then it will give you more breathing room for sound cards, things like that. So 2 Titan Z's, 1 InWin S-frame. We have a Corsair 1500i 1500 watt platinum power supply, or titanium, sorry, and we have 5 terabytes of SSD storage from Samsung, but it's the SAM 850 Pro, so it's going to be the fastest. You have Windows 8.1, I believe, in the full package, so I do that. We have a 5K monitor. So this is Dell's 5K monitor. What's better than one 5K monitor? I don't know, 3 5K monitors. So you've got 3 5K monitors, and just in case you want to do some gaming, because the refresh rate is quite high on this monitor, you can hang it over the top of. You can hang this 4K Acer monitor over this one, or these 3, sorry. Or you can just go for less and save money. We have the Razer Black Widow Chroma mechanical USB gaming keyboard. Quite expensive keyboard, but it looks sick. And we have the Corsair Gaming RGB mouse, 8200 DPI. Quite a sick mouse. And finally, we have 64GB of RAM, and that's it. That's the most overkill PC build you will ever find. So, yeah. The thing is, you should not buy this. You should not buy this build. This is just to see this is just an experiment, how much you can pay for a computer to build yourself, that is. And so you have all these 5K monitors, you have this 4K monitor, you have 64GB of RAM. This will beat the Mac Pro, but then it is more expensive than the Mac Pro. I will do a video comparing one of my PC builds to Mac Pro, and yeah. Thank you for watching, guys. Please like this video if you liked it, dislike it if you disliked it, but leave a comment letting me know why you disliked it, and tell me what other videos you want me to do. on gaming PC builds. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.